And welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. And TVJ Sports understands that coach Donovan Duckie has parted ways with Montego United. Duckie was in his second stint as coach of Montego United, having returned in August 2022. He had previously guided Montego United during the 2013-2014 season. It's further understood that Brazilian Nader dos Santos will replace Duckie as coach at the three-time former champions, their last title coming in 2014. Montego United are currently 9th in the Jamaica Premier League standings. Duckie previously coached at fellow Premier League teams Waterhouse, Sporting Central Academy, Humble Lion, Mount Pleasant and Vere United. Meanwhile, defending champions Harbourview clipped Humble Lion 1-0 in their Jamaica Premier League match on Monday night at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Krista J. Daly scored the all-important goal in the 72nd minute. With the win, Harbourview moved to 32 points but stayed in 4th place. Earlier, a double from Jason Wright carried Malines United to a 4-0 win over Vere United in the first match of the doubleheader. Wright put Malines ahead in the 11th minute before returning to score his second in the 31st minute. Nicholas Nelson then made it 3-0 in the 55th before Javon Brown completed the rout in the 74th minute. Now, although aiming to rebound from last week's Saturday's defeat to arch rivals Trinidad and Tobago when the teams meet in the second friendly international this evening at the National Stadium, Reggae Boys head coach Hamer Holgrimson says that there is an even bigger picture at play. Ryan Moore's second half goal separated the teams at the Catherine Hall Sports Complex in Mobay at the weekend, which ensured the Twin Island Republic stayed ahead in the head-to-head, this in the win column in the clashes between the teams. TNT were also the last team to beat the Reggae Boys at the Catherine Hall Sports Complex when they did so back in 2013. But Coach Holgrimson says the two matches are more than just about statistics.
It's not about winning or losing this camp, but it's more about giving players a chance to show what they can do if they can be a part of now the next camp, for the Mexico camp, the Gold Cup. Can they be a part of that, or are they not ready? Can we wait? Do we need to wait a year for them to be ready, etc.?
Now, 16 players got a chance to impress Holgrimson in the first game against the Soko Warriors, and there are others who could get their opportunity this evening. One of those who could get a run out is 19-year-old right-sided winger Tyler Roberts of Wolverhampton Wanderers in England. He qualifies to play for Jamaica through his grandfather, who was born in St. Elizabeth and has already represented the country at the under-20 level.
It's an honour. I'm really excited about it. I've got a lot of family over here, a lot of family back home watching and supporting, and yeah, they're really supportive of it, and everyone's very excited.
The match kicks off at 7 p.m. And that is the final whistle. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.